Kambo is one of the most powerful and misunderstood sacred medicines in the world. It doesn't give you visions. It doesn't take you on a trip. Instead, it brings you back to your body, your breath, your strength. And it does so with a force that's been revered by Amazonian tribes for centuries. The medicine comes from the secretion of the Philomedusa bicolor, a large green tree frog that lives in the Amazon rainforest. Indigenous peoples like the Matses and Cachuquina noticed long ago that applying this secretion boosted their stamina, sharpened their senses, and helped them hunt for days without fatigue. In a ceremonial setting, small burns, called gates, are made on the skin. A thin layer of Kambo is applied. Within seconds, your body reacts, heat rushes through, your heart rate spikes, you may sweat or tremble. Nausea rises quickly, and soon comes the purge, sometimes through vomiting, sometimes through crying, shaking, or even needing to lie flat on the ground. But here's what's happening beneath the surface: your body is releasing toxins, not just physical, but emotional and energetic. Kambo is believed to cleanse the liver, boost the immune system, and reset the nervous system. More importantly, it helps release the heaviness we carry: grief, shame, anxiety, the stories that weigh us down. Many people feel clearer after a session. Some say they feel like themselves again for the first time in years. Others speak of a reconnection to inner strength, to purpose, or to their own intuition. It's not always pleasant, but it's real. What makes Kambo different is that it doesn't give you answers. It gives you a clean slate. And from that reset space, you begin again, lighter, stronger, clearer. That's why it's often called the warrior medicine. It doesn't coddle you. It demands presence. It asks you to sit with discomfort, to surrender control. And in doing so, it offers one of the most powerful physical and spiritual detoxes available. At Sacred Plants Putumayo, we hold this ritual with the deep respect it deserves. Our trained practitioners guide you through each step in a safe, sacred container, so the intensity becomes transformation, not trauma. Feeling called to experience it yourself? Come join us at a Sacred Plants Putumayo retreat. Subscribe to the channel for more wisdom from the jungle, and drop a comment below. What would you be ready to release through the fire of Kambo?